Jai Hind, distinguished military leaders, invited speakers, senior officers, advisors, scientists, academicians, industry representatives, think tanks, media persons, esteemed colleagues, honored guests, and participants. It is my proud privilege to extend a warm welcome to each of you as we convene for this pivotal workshop on indigenization of critical components currently being imported from foreign OEMs in the area of unmanned aerial vehicles and counter unmanned aerial systems. Your presence here today underscores the collective commitment of our defense community to address one of the most dynamic and consequential challenges facing modern military operations. I am especially grateful to our chief guest, General Anil Chauhan, PVSM, UISM, AVSM, SM, VSM, Chief of Defense Staff, for sparing his invaluable time from his very busy schedule. I am indeed grateful, sir. Your presence inspires and motivates the entire defense community. Over the past decade, UAVs have revolutionized the battlefield, transforming intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat operations across all domains of warfare. Their agility, versatility, and increasing autonomy have made them indispensable assets for armed forces worldwide. Yet, as we have witnessed in recent global conflicts, these same attributes have also made UAVs a tool of choice for our adversaries, both state and non-state actors, seeking to exploit asymmetries and disrupt traditional defense paradigms. The proliferation of UAVs from micro and mini drones to advanced tactical systems has introduced a new spectrum of threats. These range from surveillance incursions and electronic warfare to direct attack on critical infrastructure and frontline units. Lessons learned from the recent military conflicts serve as a stark reminder that the skies above us are increasingly contested. In response, the development and integration of counter-EOS technologies have become an urgent priority. Our adversaries are adapting rapidly, employing creative tactics and leveraging commercially available technologies to challenge our air superiority. To counter these evolving threats, our solutions must be equally adaptive, leveraging advances in electronic warfare, artificial intelligence, quantum, kinetic and non-kinetic interceptors, and integrated command and control systems. This workshop brings together an exceptional cross-section of military leadership, operational commanders, technologists, scientists, academia, and industry partners. The technical sessions have been designed to foster candid dialogue and knowledge exchange on several critical fronts. As we embark on these discussions, let us recognize the fact that US and counter-US are not merely technological challenges, but these are strategic imperatives. Our ability to secure the airspace, protect our forces, and maintain operational advantage depends on our collective resolve to innovate, collaborate using whole-of-the-nation approach, and adapt at a speed while maintaining lower costs. Normally we say cheaper, faster, and better, but in military parlance, we have to say better, faster, and cheaper. We need better, faster, and cheaper systems. I encourage each of you to engage fully, share your insights, and challenge assumptions. The stakes are high, and the solutions we develop here will shape the future of our defense capability. With this, I look forward for very meaningful and fruitful discussions during the technical sessions, leading to evolution of a strategy, a pragmatic strategy for indigenizing the critical systems currently being imported for manufacture of UAV, indigenous manufacture of UAVs and counter-UAS systems. Jai Hind.